So as you guys know, we've been climbing a lot of mountains and volcanoes recently, and the only thing missing is we don't have a drone. And I've felt for a while that that's pretty shit, you know. I think we need a drone. So just went to a big camera here in Kagoshima, and we're gonna pick up a drone. So we'll see you in a bit. Where are we?
Kagoshima. Just came down from the ferry.
It's amazing. Thank you.
Alright, so I'm over here at the Kagoshima Observatory. Initially my friends wanted to climb it, but it's always in danger of erupting, so we can only get up here, which is 373 meters up the mountain or volcano.
Alright, so what are we doing right now? Where are we flying this baby?
Look right there, it's the belly of the beast.
Yeah.